Uh, well, actually, I probably shouldn't do this part because he has it documented somewhere, right? And I might not even have it in here. Let's see, we have compliance check. Nope, that's not what I want. Get sponsor award. Award. Here's one. Okay, so we're supposed to automate the grouping number or grouping, right? So what was going to happen, at least I think, so we have a start date for the award, we have end date for the award as well. And then he put final expiration date. I think I asked him to put another date on here because there's a budget start and end date, and then there's a project start and end date. And the one you want to look for is probably just this award start date and award end date. The only way I can find out if that is correct is if I pull up COIUS and look to see what the budget dates are for this award and this one. So I think what my thinking was that I was going to go ahead and query whatever the award is. And once I do that, then I say, okay, give me, all of the budget dates. And then I go ahead and group it according to these budget dates. So if this, if this is 4-1 and this is 4-1 and this is, oh, wait a second, but how am I going to do that? Because if you do this, you should always get the same start and end date because we're querying it by award. But when we do it by proposal number, and let me look for a proposal number. Sponsor award. I don't think this is the right one. Okay, so this is it right here. So we're querying for actually 2008 4049, right? So this proposal is on 008, it's on 009, it's on 0010, okay. 007. So it's on award. Right, it's on multiple award tiers, right? When I say tier, I might be confusing you, but it's on multiple award rows, let's say records. So that means if I gather the dates, they should be different. So let's see, this one is 8 and this is 9, but it has the same effective date and it has the same obligation expiration date. That's probably because this is 3-1 and this is 2-8. Okay, now I need to go into COIUS just to see what it looks like. I'm going to open up my COIUS real quick. Go ahead.
So you want to check the award start date and end date for each award? Is that what you want to check on COIUS?
Well, I just want to look at the award to see what it looks like right now. That'll make it make it clearer in my mind to see where these dates are coming from. So this is 2013 to 14, which kind of tells me it's a budget budget because this is 1 year, 13 to 14. This one says 13 to 15. This is 12 to 13. So it seems like it's the right dates. I'm going to go to the award here. UCSD proposal number, I believe. Yep. Paste that into there. Find that. So this is all on one award. If I look at the hierarchy here, then this has multiple hierarchy or multiple tiers. So this is the tier 1, and then the people under that, or the tiers under that, is the tier 2, and this is all the tier 3s are under tier 2s. So that's what it means when I say tier. So if I look at 002, the proposal is attached to this. It's not supposed to be attached to 002. It's only supposed to be attached to the tier 3s, because the tier 3s are the ones that fund it. This is just the summary of everything that's under here, really. So I'm going to go look at GER's web service right now, and it says that it's on 8, 9, 10, 7, 6, 5, 3. Okay, good. So it didn't give the 2, which is great. Which was that 002 right there. So that's good. So it's only giving me tier 3s. So these tier 3s have different sponsor award numbers. So this 003 has this sponsor award number. The 003 has this sponsor award number. It's just showing it twice. I'm not sure why it shows it twice, but that's fine. So this one is a different sponsor award number than the 002. So that's how I was going to do the groupings. I know it's confusing still.
So is this, they call it differently, the current fund effective date and the obligation expiration date, are they the same as the one you just showed, the award start date, award end date?
Right. So it's effective, which is the start date.
Okay.
And the expiration, which is the end date.
Okay, just using a different name for it.
Yeah, it is, because this is what it is in COIUS in the database. It says current fund effective date. That's what he put there.
Okay.
Shaw, what I might do is I might stop this recording and then have or ask Anthony you to record your answer to his next question, so that me leaving in 10 minutes doesn't, stop this.
Okay.
If that's okay.
Yep.
Is that reasonable? Okay. So I'm going to do that. First, let me ask, did that answer your question, Shaw?
Sort of.
Sort of, yeah. So, okay.
Keep going, because I'm recording this, so we still have a little bit of time. It's just that at 10:30, I'm going to stop this recording and let Anthony run the meeting to finish.
Okay.
So for same start and end, we put in a group. So, like, what group name would that be? Just combine the 2 string of the date, something like that, or?
Okay, so I am not 100% sure, but I think the group name is going to be the sponsor award, right? I mean, how can I grab this data and make a bunch of group names? I mean, so this proposal is on a bunch of groups, which means that at a certain time, I think each group that this proposal is in then that means that that probably has a disclosure for it.
Okay. One question: can I award on multiple proposals? One award. So we have a proposal that is on multiple award. What about the other direction? Can I award be on different proposals?
Okay, so proposals are attached to an award, and that proposal will only live on that award. So for example, if I have proposal 1, 2, 3, 4, then it can only be in this award in 092338. It can only exist on this one. It can't exist on another award. Now,
Okay.
awards are by themselves. Awards do not get attached to proposals. Proposals get attached to awards.
Okay, but I'm a little confused because you just, for the JSON data, you have a different award there.
Right.
So
when I say
they,
award, I mean this whole thing is one award, but these are
it's
the
one
award
award.
tiers for the award. These are what you call budget tiers. And the budget means from April 30th, 2014 to February 28th. This is that's the final expiration. So from March 2013 to February 28th, 2014, that's a budget period. And
Okay.
that budget period has some money associated with it.
Okay, and it also has some award some, is that the 008, is that the like ID associated with that budget hire?
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna. Is this a good place to stop
Yeah.
this answer? Okay. I'm gonna